Is your gaming rig feeling a little Euro hot? Today, we're diving into how to check your GPU's temperature on Windows 11 so you can keep your graphics card cool and your gaming experience smooth. First, we'll explore using Task Manager, a built-in tool within Windows 11. Right-click on your taskbar, found at the bottom of your screen, and select Task Manager from the menu that appears. Once Task Manager is open, navigate to the Performance tab. Here, you'll see a list of components. Locate your GPU. If you have multiple GPUs, make sure you select the correct one. You'll then see a graph that displays its current temperature. This gives you a quick overview of your GPU's temperature. Now, let's check out a more advanced method using third-party software. Many popular choices exist, like MSI Afterburner, which allows you to monitor not only temperature, but also many other vital performance metrics. Open MSI Afterburner and go to the settings. Find the Monitoring tab. On the Monitoring tab, select GPU temperature from the monitoring list. You can also enable Show an on-screen display to view this while you play. Remember, consistently monitoring your GPU's temperature is key to preventing overheating and ensuring optimal performance. If your GPU is consistently running hot, consider looking at your computer fans. Now go forth and game on, knowing your GPU is doing well.